Hey guys, it's Brett Mugford here with Super Agent Club. So today I'm going to be talking about lead magnets for real estate agents. So maybe you've heard lead magnet, you're curious the specifics of it. In this video, I'm going to start off by telling you what is a lead magnet. So instead of just asking for contact information, a lead magnet is kind of like a bribe to get the contact information. So something of value. So that could be, I'll give you some examples here. It could be a buyer guide, a seller guide. Maybe it's a webinar that's 3 secrets to buying a home, 3 secrets to selling a home. You could create a guide, 3 secrets to getting the most money out of your home. You know, it could be just anything to do with the home to get the contact information. And you can either have this as a downloadable piece of content on your website where it's like enter your name and email address, and we'll send you this guide, and then you can periodically follow up with them depending on the guide. You know what I mean? Because if it's something about home maintenance, it's very subtle. It's not like they're going to be maybe thinking about buying or selling. They just wanted the guide, but now you have the information to very gently market to them until they become a hand raiser. And you can see when they click on your site and see with cookies what they click. Okay, you can use like the different CRMs have a tracking pixel, so it cookies them on your website and you can see what they click. So then if they go to your website through your monthly emails, which if they're, you know, kind of just home maintenance, you don't want to overwhelm them. But if they start clicking to go to your website and clicking how to sell a home, 3 secrets to increase home value, you know, okay, maybe it's time I'm gonna start sending them some emails and contact them. Because in a way they're kind of raising their hand, they're looking at that specific content about selling a home. Maybe they're thinking about selling, and then you can contact them and say, hey, you're thinking about selling, how can I help, and start marketing them with material about selling a home. So a lead magnet is just the upfront offer. So if you're creating a Facebook ad, you don't just want to have contact me to start looking at homes, you want to have a lead magnet, which could be a list of homes. Depending on your area, maybe it's a list of homes under 300,000, maybe under 500,000, kind of around the average price in your market is the best number to use. And then what you can do is you can just use MailChimp or different email things. So when they fill out your Facebook ad form, it automatically sends them a link to your website with that list of homes, which is exactly updated with the MLS. A lot of different brokerages will give you that option. So if you have any other questions about a lead magnet, what it is, let me know, comments below, and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you so much.